Top secrets of Hollywood success and fame. Hollywood is a world filled with fame, fortune, and mystery. But behind the glamour, there are powerful forces, secret strategies, and behind-the-scenes deals that shape the industry. Here are some of the biggest secrets that fuel Hollywood success. 5. The power of networking and inner circles. Hollywood thrives on relationships. Whether it's actors getting roles, directors securing funding, or producers pushing projects, connections matter more than raw talent. Elite circles, film festivals, and private parties are where major deals happen. Many rising stars get their big break through recommendations from insiders rather than additions. 4. Strategic image and branding. Celebrities don't just act, they craft personas. Every major star has a dedicated team of publicists, managers, and stylists to manage their image. Scandals are sometimes strategically used to boost a celebrity's relevance. Controlled controversy can make them trend. A carefully curated social media presence is now a major key to success, allowing stars to maintain direct engagement with fans. 3. Nepotism and insider casting. Hollywood often favors those with family ties. Many A-list actors, directors, and producers come from entertainment families. Open auditions rarely lead to major roles. Most casting decisions happen behind closed doors. Secret deals between studios and agencies often predecide who will land the next blockbuster role. 2. Secret contracts and hush-hush deals. Confidentiality agreements, NDAs, are common in Hollywood, preventing leaks about movies, relationships, and controversies. Some actors have clauses that guarantee certain treatment, screen time, or even specific co-stars in films. Studios often manipulate box office numbers and critic reviews to boost a movie's success artificially. 1. The influence of private investors and hidden backers. Hollywood movies require massive funding, often backed by billionaires, international studios, or private investors with hidden agendas. Chinese investors, tech giants, and streaming services now play a significant role in Hollywood's decision-making. Political and social influences also shape what films get produced and which messages get promoted.